Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss what is HTTP status code. The HTTP status code is also one of the important component of HTTP response. The status code is issued from the server and they give information about the response. Whenever we get any response from the server, in the HTTP response we must have one HTTP status code. These status codes are divided into the following category. The first one is 1XX, which means informational response. For example, 100, 101, 102. And the second one is 2XX, which means successful. Whenever we get 2XX as the response code, it means the request is successful. It can be a 200, 201, 203. And the third one is 3XX, which means whenever you get 3XX as the response code, it means it is redirectional, that is, some redirection is happening on the server. The code can be a 300, 301. And the fourth one is 4XX, which means client error. Whenever you get 4XX as the response code, it means there is some problem with your request. The code can be 400, 404, like that. And the last one is 5XX, which means server error. When you get 5XX as this response code, it means there is some problem in the server. The code would be a 500. The following are the frequently used status code. The first one is 100, means continue. The HTTP 100 continue informational status response code indicate that everything so far is okay and the client should continue with the request or ignore it if it is already finished. The second one is 200, means okay, which indicate that the request has succeeded. If you are searching for some data, you got the data properly, that means the request is successful, and in that case you will get 200 okay as the status code. The third one is 201, means a new resource created, which indicate that new resource is created before this response is sent back and the new resource is written in the body of message. Its location being either the URL of the request or the content of the location header. If you are adding successfully a new resource by using the HTTP post method, then in that case you will get 201 as the code. The next one is 204, which means not content. It indicates that a request has succeeded but the client does not need to navigate away from its current page. If the server proceeds the request successfully and it is not returning any content, then in that case you will get a 204 code. The next one is 301. 301 means moved permanently. If you are getting 301 as a status code from the server, it means the resource you are looking for is removed permanently to the URL given by the location header. And the next one also is 302, means found. If you are getting 302 as a status code from the server, it means the resource you are looking for is moved temporarily to the URL given by the location header. The next one is 400, means bad request. If the request containing some wrong data. The next one is 401, means unauthorized. If you are trying to access the resource for which you don't have access, then you will get this code. And the next is 404, means no found. If you are looking for a resource that does not exist, then you will get a 404 not found status code from the server. And after that we have 405, which means method not allowed, which indicate that the request method is known by the server but it is not supported by the targeted resource. For example, if we have one method which is a post method in the server and we are trying to access the method from the client using get verbs, then in that case we will get a 405. The next we have a 500, means internal server error. If there is some error in the server, then you will get a 500 internal server error status code. Next and last one is 503, means service unavailable, which indicate that the server is not ready to handle the request. If the server is down for maintenance or the server is overloaded, then in that case you will get 503 as a status code. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.